Get excited, everybody. So I'm doing my first video, crochet video, stitches on stitches, and that's what I'm going to be doing from now on. I get a lot of questions on, Corinne, how do you do your loops? So I'm going to show you guys how I create my loops, and this is what this is what the loops look like. Look like this. That's what it look like. So I hope you guys get something out of it. Alrighty, folks, give me a thumbs up on the video. Later, folks. Later. On to the video. Step into Corinne's fashion world. We can make a difference because our world is your world. So live your dreams and become a part of Corinne's fashion world. So everyone always asks me, Corinne, how do you do your loops? Because I do a lot of loop jackets and things like that. So I start off with a foundation chain, and once I get my foundation chain together, I either do half double crochet or double crochet for my first row. So double crochet go like this. You go over, you go into the stitch like that, and you're going to have 3 loops here. And once you pull through, you go over one more time. Then you pull through 2 and pull through 2. Let me do it again. Go over like that. Go through the stitch, pull up, then go over, pull through 2, pull through 2. One more time. Over, go in the hole there, pull through, go over the yarn again, pull through 2, pull 2 through. That's your double crochet. So I do double crochets all the way to the end of the row, and once I get to the end of the row, my camera's trying to focus. Forgive the blurriness. My phone trying to focus. All the way into the end of the chain. Yes, I go all the way over. This is my first time ever getting on live. Getting on and doing video with the crochet stitch. I'm left-handed, if you guys didn't notice. So I go all the way down, like so. Then you guys see how I do the double crochets. Once you get to the end of your chain, your foundation chain, pulling my loops up with it. Once you get to the end of your foundation chains, you want to go up 2, and then you're going to turn your work. Okay, folks? Gonna go up 2. So you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. So you chain 2, then you turn your work. After you turn your work, you want to go into your first hole right here. You're going to put the needle through the hole. You're going to grab the yarn like that. Extend your finger so you can pull the yarn, stretch it. So this is going to help create the loop. Then you're going to grab the yarn that's closer to your hand, and you're going to pull that right through that hole. Drop the yarn, drop the loop, and you should have 3 stitches. And then you're going to go over 1 and bring everything through. I'm going to show you again. So you grab like that. Make sure you extend your fingers so you can create your loop. Go behind the yarn, pull the other yarn forward through the hole. You'll have 3 chains on it, loops on here, and you pull through. One more time so you can see. Stretch your hand out like that. Pull, go behind the yarn, pull the other yarn forward, come through the hole, wrap your yarn around, pull through everything. So, one more time. I'm left-handed, folks. Go to the back of your yarn, pull through, pull everything through, then like that. Through, go to the back, pull that one, then bring everything through, then wrap the yarn one more time, then go through. Back of the yarn, pull everything through. Make sure you extend your finger so you can get the loop. Drop the loop, there you go. Like so. That, pull through. See, you got a loop now. Drop the yarn, there you go. Get excited, everybody. Go like that, pull through. There you go. You got a loop. Get excited, everybody. Go like that. Behind the yarn. Make sure you go behind the yarn. Pull everything through. You have 3 loops on the needle. Wrap around the needle and pull everything through. Show you that one more time. So you want to do this till you get to the end of your chain. Your end of your row. And then when you get to the end of the row, you're going to, again, go back. You're going to chain 2, turn your work. Then you're going to do double crochets going all the way across for the next row. Turn the work again, and then you do your loops again. It's so easy. So easy. So easy. So again, you're going to go all the way to the end of the row, and then you chain 2, turn your work, then double crochet all the way across, chain 2. When you finish that row, then you start with the loops again. Okay, so basically it's double crochet. You can do double crochet or half double crochet, then you do your loops, then you do double crochet again, then your loops, double crochet again, then your loops. So easy, but you always want to make sure you chain up 2 at the end of each row. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Did I do that one right? Hope this video was helpful to you guys. Drop a comment on the video, thumbs it up, share it, and tell everybody you know. Get excited, everybody, and believe something good is gonna happen for you. Get excited. Here we go, loop-de-loop. Later, folks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.